Very good morning, 9th class students. Our topic is polynomials. So today I am going to prove the formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. To prove this formula, I am taking one square. That is nothing but a and b and c and d. With the side as a units. With side as a units. Okay, here. Area of a b c d. Here a b c d is a square. What is the formula? Area of the square, side into side. So it is nothing but a into a is equal to a square units. So next, so total area of this figure is a square. So from this, I am taking one small square with side b units. See, I am removing that. So here one small square I removed. What is the area? For example, let the name of this one is PQRS. Area PQRS is equal to. I removed small square. What is the length of this one? B. What is the side of this one? B. So it is nothing but B into B is equal to B square. So from the total part, the area of the total part is A square. So from that I remove B square part. What is the area of the remaining? A square minus B square. The area of the remaining figure is A square minus B square. Let the name A and B and C. I am taking new name to this. A, B, note. Take another name. X and Y and Z. X, Y, Z. Next to E and F and S. X, Y, Z, E, F, S. So after removing the B square part, what is the remaining? What is the area of the remaining part? A square minus B square. So the remaining part may be like this. Now I am dividing this into two parts. The length of this one is A units, and here what is removed? B part is removed. So what is the remaining part here? A minus B. This also A minus B. Okay. Now just I am writing like this to understand. What is the name I took here? X, Y, Z, E, F and S. Okay. Now to find the area of this figure, I have to add this part and also this part. So it is a combination of two parts. One is rectangle and one is rectangle. To find the area of this one, I have to add the area of this part and also that part. So for example, here FC2. What is the area of XSF? XKFS. XKFS is equal to. What is the value here? A. And what is the value here? A minus B. So A into A minus B. What is the area of this figure? A into A minus B. Similarly, area KYZE. KYZE. So length is A minus B and breadth is B. So what we can write here? B into A minus B. Area of the total part is equal the area of this part plus area of this part. What we can write here? Area of X, Y, Z, E, F, S. X, Y, Z, E, F, S. X, Y, Z, E, F, S is equal to. It is a combination of X, K, F, S. Area of X, K, F, S plus area K by Z E plus area K by Z E. So from that figure, what is the area of the remaining here? A square minus B square. So the area of this part is A square minus B square is equal A into A minus B plus B into A minus B. So from this both I am taking A minus B as a common. What happens here? A plus B into A minus B. So the identity A square minus B square is equal A plus B into A minus B. So my question, here is another question from column here. Give possible expressions for the length and breadth of the rectangle. So it is here, what is the question? 4a plus 4a minus 3. Solution. You may take one rectangle. 4a square plus 4a minus 3 is nothing but area of the rectangle. So let length as b and breadth, length as l and breadth as b. What is the formula to find area of rectangle? Area of rectangle is equal L into B. What is the area here? 4a square plus 4a minus 3 is equal L into B. Now divide 4a square plus 4a minus 3 as a factors. So to divide as a factor we use splitting method. 4 3s are 12. I need 4 here. So 6a minus 2a minus 3 is equal to L into B. It means here what is the common? 2a I am taking as common. So it is nothing but 2a plus 3. Here minus 1. 2a plus 3. Once again here 2a plus 3 as a common. Into 2a minus 1 is equal length into breadth. So by comparing that, what we can write? Length is nothing but 2a plus 3 and breadth is nothing but 2a minus 3. What about second question here? X square minus 8x plus 12. X square minus 8x plus 12 is a area rectangle. So what we can write here? L into B is equal x square minus 8x plus 12. So once again I am dividing as a factors. X common. X minus 6. So ninth questions. What are the possible polynomial expressions for the dimensions of the cuboids whose values are given below? So here 3x cube minus 12x is a value of cuboid. Cuboid has 3 dimensions: length and breadth and height. Value of cuboid is equal. What is the value here? 3x cube minus 12x. 3x cube minus 12x. Here I am taking 3 as a common. 3x as a common. I am taking 3x as a common. What happens here? X square minus 4. 3 4s are 12. So once again 3x into x square minus 4 we can write as 2 square. Minus 4 we can write as 2 square. Now it is in the form of a square minus b square. What is the formula here? A plus b into a minus b. So by using the formula, what we can write here? X plus 2 into x minus 2. What is the value of the cuboid? LBH. Now length I am taking as 3x units, breadth I am taking as x plus 2 units, height I am taking as x minus 2 units. So here factorize a cube minus 8b cube minus 64c cube minus 24abc. So solution, to factorize this one, a cube minus 8b cube I am writing as 2b whole cube. 64 I am writing as 4c whole cube minus 24 ABC. That as this. So here I am using one identity. What is that? A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC is equal to A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC is equal to A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus C. So to factorize this cubic polynomial, here I am using one identity. What is the identity here? A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC is equal to A plus B plus C bracket A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC and minus C. So if you compare this both, A is nothing but A, but B is minus 2B and C is nothing but minus 4C. A means I am taking A, B means minus 2B, C means minus 4C into A square means A square plus B square means minus 2B whole square, C square means minus 4C whole square minus AB means A into B means minus 2B minus BC, B means minus 2B into minus 4C, C minus 4C into A. Simple. So in this identity, I applied A and I took A as A, B as minus 2B, C as minus 4C. Now A minus 2B minus 4C bracket A square. It is nothing but 4B square plus 16C square minus into minus plus 2 into AB 2AB minus into minus plus into minus minus 4 2s are 8. So 8BC minus into minus plus 4CA. So the factor of given cubic polynomial is A minus 2B minus 4C bracket A square plus 4B square plus 16C square plus 2AB minus 8BC plus 4C. Ninth question, here is the worksheet. Factorize 8A cube plus B cube plus 2A square cube plus 6AB square. Use A plus B whole formula. If 2 into A square plus B square is equal to A plus B whole square, then show that A is equal to B. Expand 2A minus B whole cube by using suitable identity.